Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hello everybody! I have this project to share with you today. So it is what they consider a matchbox build. I have little tabs on here to make the pullout easier. And this, you can see, holds these Merci chocolates. They're bigger than normal. And they come, I think, in 5 in a pack. So I'm going to share with you how to make one. All right. Scoreboard, cardstock, 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, and we're going to score at 3/4 of an inch on all 3 sides. We're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. Here's some paper snips, and I am going up on the score line and I'm wedging out on both sides. See, so all the way along. It's a really simple build to make, especially if you have something that is flat and, well, rectangular. All right. All right, so I'm going to put, I flipped it over, and I'm going to put adhesive along the tabs. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to bring in 2 of the chocolates, and then I'm going to bring in one of the sides, and I'm going to put that flap right up against the chocolate so that I have something to press against, and I've also got a square corner. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing from above better than I'm explaining it. Because, you know, words are hard sometimes when you've worked all day. And you're trying to keep up with continue talking after your workday is done, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I don't speak in full sentences, and I do apologize from that. It's just I've talked a lot all day. All right, so you can see what I'm doing here. I'll do sort of one end, and that way you have something to push on. And then I can take those chocolates right out. And that is complete. Now you can see how I just did the little pull tab. I won't do that one on here, but I will show you how I did it. I just took a little piece of ribbon. This happens to be the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo. You get this beautiful white linen, which is stunning. You get this check plaid, which I love. And you get sort of like a silvery and a blue ribbon, twine. All right, this was the only ribbon pack that I bought 2 of. So anyway, I just put a little bit of tear tape on one side and then a little tear tape on the other side, and I kind of squashed them together. And then I put a glue dot underneath, and then I just adhered it like that. So I'm not going to do that on this one because I don't know if I liked them or not. So there you are. I did kind of like it. I like it for the ease. I don't necessarily know if I liked it for the design with the little bits hanging out. So I'm not going to do that on this one. So in go the chocolates. What I am using today is, I've got a couple of things. I'm going to make the belly band, and I'm making this out of the Berry Blessings paper that we got for Celebration. That was this as well. The nice thing, if you turn the berries around, there's this lovely, I don't know, it reminds me sort of spring. It's so nice. You know, strawberry picnics and all that. So, we need a piece of designer series paper or pattern paper that is 6 1/4 by 4. And I'm not going to do much measuring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put sort of the, okay, so how I do this is I like to put the box with the goodies and everything inside. And then I'm going to tuck it round, tighten it up, like push it right close. And then I'm going to pinch, just pinch with your fingers. And then just pinch. Okay, so we're going to start with that first fold that we did. This way, I'm going to do this for like, I would probably, yeah. Sorry, I need to talk in full sentences again. So I want this to fit this so that it's nice and loose. I don't want it to be so tight that you're like wrecking the box. So when you measure it per box, you are going to, it's going to measure perfectly. And every box may be different. They may be completely exactly the same. It's kind of hard to know. So you can see there, I've already got 2 nice creases. So we'll just fit that box in again. This way, like I said, if you have any idiosyncrasies, like this paper probably won't fit that box. All right, and then I just go in and I fold and I crease. Last one. All right. Okay. So I'm going to put tear tape here and here. The reason why I'm using tear tape is because it is really strong and I don't know, it's good for 3D boxes. So I'm going to do this on that side and then on this side. Just remember, do not stick your outside case to your inside box, especially if you want a smooth removal of said box. Ask me how I know. All right, since I missed my nail appointment because I had to get physiotherapy the other day, I'm just going to peel these off with my real nails, which are super disgusting and fine and stained with hair color. And that's life. All right. I've taken off my release paper, putting my chocolate box back in. So there's one side with the sticky part there. And then I just have to marry the two together. Just like that. So here, look at how nicely that moves. Okay. And there's nothing, there's no glue or anything that's going to make this stick. Okay, so now I thought what I would do is I would decorate it even further with a little piece of extra paper. So I'm going to do the same thing, but now it's going to be so much easier because I've already got a band around the box. All right. And I can just use this dry adhesive for that. Oh, okay. So that one. Oh yeah, that'll work. I can put all the adhesive on the not so pretty side. All right. Let's see here. And I probably forgot to give you the dimensions. So for the outer case was 6 1/4 by 4. I could have went down to 3 7/8 on this one. I don't know why this one differed from this one, but whatever. And then this little strip here was 2 inches and by 4. So that's super cute. It's a little different, right? It's got that, I don't know, strawberry vibe feel to it. So there is one thing. This is stitched so sweetly. So I thought it looked really nice there. And then, because I'm smart, because I can't tie nice cute bows very quickly on camera, I decided to whip one out off camera before I even started. Check out how beautiful that turned out. And look at how yummy this ribbon is. It's just so pretty. Like I have a shirt that I bought when I was in Greece, when I earned the incentive trip and went to Greece oh so long ago when we were allowed to travel and be stuffed on a cruise ship. I bought a shirt that was this kind of, you know, breathable cotton, and it reminds me, this ribbon reminds me of it. I love that. It was very breathable in hot weather. Oh, I miss traveling. How about you guys? All right. I am not going to complain anymore because it'll just make us all sad. And we have to be really lucky and we need to count our blessings. Sometimes it is nice to commiserate with everybody, but... So I'm making the bow, the star of the show, because I don't know what I'm going to use these little boxes for. I met my neighbor the other day. I think his name is Rob, but that's not the neighbor I was talking about. I was talking about the dog. The dog's name is Buddy, and he's a 4-month-old golden retriever. He is so super cute that I might buy him a bone because he was just so happy to see me. It was like I was his best friend immediately. You know how golden retrievers are, right? They're so lovely and so fluffy. So I might have a pretty box to put Buddy's bone in. I don't know. So that I'm thinking of an idea for, you know, for another Friday. As soon as I turn off the camera, I'll probably eat these two because today I need another chocolate. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I will see you next week. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.